Hello, welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level Physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got answer A, well done. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please keep watching. So, a mass m is added to a vertical spring that is initially unextended. There's the spring, there's the mass. The mass is then lowered until it hangs stationary on the spring. The extension of the spring is now delta L, so the spring has got delta L longer. How much energy is transferred from the mass spring system? Well, first of all, why is there energy being transferred to the spring? Well, we know that work is equal to the force applied to an object multiplied by the distance or displacement over which that force acts. Well, there's the force in this particular case is the weight of the mass, and the distance over which it moves is equal to the extension of the spring. The spring is going to get delta L longer. Now you're given an equation on your data sheet, and that says the energy transferred to a spring is equal to a half multiplied by the force multiplied by the extension, delta L. So if I look at the possible answers here, I can see all of them have delta L in them, but none of them have F, or the force. But that's easy to remedy because we remember that the force is provided by the weight, and the weight of any object is equal to its mass multiplied by the gravitational field strength. So if the force is the weight and weight is equal to mg, then I can replace the force in this equation with mass times gravitational field strength to give me that equation, which is answer A. If you found this video useful, please press the like button. All comments will be welcome. Perhaps there's a question you'd like me to go through. And I hope you'll share and watch more in the series.